Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial using some new products from Profusion Cosmetics. They actually sent me some to try, so if you're here for this, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's begin. To start off, I'm using this brow palette from Profusion in the shade medium to dark to fill in the brows. I am doing what I usually do, just filling in the tail of the brow and then bringing it inwards, and then I've already carved out the brows with some concealer, and now taking a spoolie to just brush everything out. Now with my Profusion angled liner brush and my concealer, I'm going to carve on the bottom of the brow just to kind of define it just a little bit more. After doing that, I'm going to take my Real Techniques base shadow brush to blend all of that concealer in. And now I'm going to apply the Profusion Clear Brow Gel to help set the brows. To prime my lids, I'm using the Profusion Eyeshadow Primer and then blending it out using the Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush. Today I'm going to use the Profusion Siennas Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to start off by applying this shade Polite to the lids, and you'll see it's a little bit dusty and powdery, but it's definitely something that I can work with. And then next I'm going to take the shade Serendipity. It's a really beautiful yellow shade. I'm going to use this as my transition color and just kind of blend that into the crease like I usually do. And then taking the shade Oasis and applying that just under Serendipity, and I'm using the blending brush that comes with the palette. And now I'm going to apply the shade Devoted to the inner and outer corners of my lids, and this is going to create that halo eye that I am looking for today. After blending in the shade and making it look very soft, I'm going to take a concealer brush and actually pack on more of that Devoted shadow on the outer and inner portions of the lid to create a really good intensified halo eye. And then I'm going to go back with the blending brush to blend out the edges, making it look a little bit more softer. Using my concealer brush, I'm going to take my concealer and just cut the lid just in the middle, creating a halo eye. And now using this really beautiful shade Dizzy, I'm going to apply this right to the middle of the lid where I cut the crease. And then I'm going to apply the shade Bite and pack that onto the center of the lid on the outer portion and the inner portion just to blend those shades in. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Devoted and pack that in to the outer and the inner portions of the lid just to intensify that color again, and then blend it out. And now I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner pen from Profusion to create a winged eyeliner. So my brows were looking okay, but I decided that I wanted to intensify the look of the brow for this video. So I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite to my brows just so it looks darker for the video. To contour, I'm going to use the shades Medium Contour and Deep Sculpt from the Profusion Sculpt and Glow Gold Edition palette, and I'm going to use the brush that comes with it to apply my contour. I like this to contour my nose. I thought that it was actually a really good brush for that. I just didn't like it so much for contouring the cheeks. To highlight, I'm going to take this shade Lit from the same palette and apply that to the tops of the cheeks, the temples, down the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin. For blush, I'm going to use the Profusion Blush and Glow 2 palette. I'm going to take the shade Sparks and Lovejoy and apply those to my cheeks using my Real Techniques blush brush. Using the light highlight shade from the Sculpt and Glow palette, I'm going to sculpt out my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose and then wipe away the excess powder. For the lips, I'm going to apply the Profusion Lip to Go kit in the shade Charm. It has a lip liner, a matte liquid lip, and a lip topper, which is beautiful. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to apply the shade Oasis to the lower lash line and then Devoted just to the outer corner of the lower lash line. Using the shade Conquest and a pencil brush, I'm going to apply this shade to the inner corners to just really brighten up the look. Using my Pro Eyes kit from Profusion, I'm going to apply the black gel liner to the liquid liner that I applied earlier just to intensify that color. And then I'm going to set the brows using the Tarte Cosmetics Busy Gal Brows Tinted Brow Gel. I actually didn't quite like the Profusion one. I felt like it wasn't quite doing its job. So although I loved my lip combo, I wasn't quite vibing with it with this eye look, so I ended up taking it off and applying the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Lover, and then applying the Charm Lip Topper on top of this. And this, I was really loving. So that is it for this tutorial. Overall, I have been enjoying these products, and my favorites are the Siennas Eyeshadow Palette and the Lips to Go kits. I think these products would be great for beginners because it's budget friendly and you get a lot of value for what you pay for. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like Profusion Cosmetics? Have you tried it before? Are you planning on trying it after watching this video? I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload. Follow me on my other socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye!